Sige, 1, 2, 3.
Hey, yo!
Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here to introduce myself. Nice meeting you all. My name is Renz Jason V. Mayula. I'm 18 years old. Currently living in Cavite. I've been fond of singing since I was a kid. And this happened, my biggest talent up to this day speaking of my hobbies, I love watching K-drama, listening music, and achieving goals. As all of these activities are truly pleasurable to me. If you're curious about my favorite color is black og itom because it's remind me of the coffee. The coffee, the night, especially on those eyes. My eyes, of course, haha. And also, I love cooking. Then I study in Budod National High School. And also, I love nature. And also I love her. And that's all. Thank you for letting me introduce myself. Bye bye. Thank you again.